Hi, I'm Joe Sudham and I'm the colour curator at Farrow Ball. And we are at the moment showing you some of our favourite colours, the inspiration behind them, and a few hints and tips on how to use them. Today we are looking at wonderful Wevet. I am very lucky that I have the privilege of being able to name these colours, and secretly Wevet is my favourite name because we wanted to make a colour which was almost transparent. It was see-through, it was barely there. And we were thinking about things, what conjured that up? And of course a spider's web is the obvious thing. And the Dorset dialect for spider's web is Wevet, and Farrow Ball is a company from Dorset, so it felt absolutely perfect. So it is a colour which is barely there, it just has a little tiny bit of grey in it and is the most delicate colour, like the spider's web. In this bohemian Brooklyn house, the whole hall has been painted in beautiful Wevet, which somehow sort of gives license for all the other rooms to have lots and lots of colour in them. So you come back and have the piece of Wevet in the hall. So we have estate eggshell on the panelling and estate emulsion above. This hall is also painted in Wevet, but it's in a farmhouse, so needed to be super durable. So the panelling, the walls and all the trim are painted in dead flat, which is easily wiped. And you might think in this house that it's very neutral, but my goodness, are there some strong coloured walls coming off this beautiful, calm Wevet hall. And Wevet can also often be used just on trim. So here you see it on picture rails, ceiling, and the fire surround, and in fact the windows as well, in contrast to pavilion grey. So if you're looking at a scheme for Wevet, it's funny because you can put it with virtually any Farrow Ball colour apart from the very pale yellows. I wanted to show it to you against all white so you can see that little bit of colour, the absolutely beautiful delicate grey it has. And because it's delicate, it works really well with other delicate colours like tailor tack and cabbage white. And so these three colours could be used in rooms perhaps all with all white trim and ceilings. Wevet is part of our Easy Neutrals group, and the neutral groups are absolutely key in the Farrow Ball palette. We've created them to make it easy for people to choose 4 colours or tones which will work together in any combination. One on ceiling, one on walls, one on trim. It doesn't matter, they are absolutely guaranteed to work together. So here you have Wevet, the lightest of the Easy group, then Ammonite, then Cornforth White, a little stronger, and the strongest of all here is Purbeck Stone. 4 colours, I promise you they'll work in any combination. I've really enjoyed showing you some of our favourite Farrow Ball colours, so I hope you've been inspired to use them in your homes too.